I am here installing the truck bed LED lighting. Came with these instructions on basically the general information that you need as far as what wires what, kind of a general idea what it comes with. This kit can be used for RV lights, for the awning, truck bed lights, cargo area. You could put them on running boards or step bars, however you want to call it. Several different options, so they don't give an actual installation guide. There is a picture for beds of trucks. It's kind of the initial purpose of them, I guess. But I've already got one side wired up, but I wanted to show how to wire it up. So I've got the strip laid out here, and then the wire laid out. I will show hooking that up here in a minute. There's the clamp, just helps hold it in place. The 3M tape does a really good job, but it's just added security. So now we just continue pulling the 3M tape and sticking the light how you want it. I'm not going for perfection. It doesn't matter to me if it's perfectly straight or not, so it probably won't be. For me, it's about the purpose. Just want to get it stuck all the way down, make sure it's on there. As you can see, it's a very tight fit. So what I'm going to do is put my clip in the very corner to help secure this corner so it doesn't go anywhere. Makes it pretty snug, but it works. Right up there in the corner. Now, for the wiring, I'll show you here real quick. Hop down. I'm running my wiring up here. I've got a screw for my bed liner. I'm taking this off. It's just a plastic screw, so be careful if you have it so you don't strip it out. And then you can just kind of pull on here and it'll pop your clip out. Take that out. Now, I'm just tucking my wire up underneath. Tucking my wire back in behind here. Get it all the way down in there, so that way it's not catching on anything. Tucking it underneath this front lip of the bottom, as to not be able to get pinched when there's a load in the bed. So I'm tucking it up underneath as I go. Alright, now my clip back in and the screw. Again, it's just plastic, so if you're using a power tool like I am, just take it easy. It doesn't have to be tight, just in. So, the light is mounted. I've got my wire ran underneath my bed liner. Last thing to do, plug it in. I already have the other side done. It's already ran, got it mounted. I already had a power wire run because I have a extra brake light underneath the tailgate, so I already had power. I used that, but I just brought it up in here. You can see it down in here. I just brought it through. Came up from behind here, behind the tail light. Just brought it up, met it up here, and I'm gonna get some 3M tape for my switch. But here is the switch, if you can see it. I've already got everything hooked up to power, so there's the lights. They're quite bright. It's going to be very nice, and I do have a tonneau cover. That was my purpose of getting it, is for camping and whatnot. You can see that it is very dark under here, so try finding something at night. Now, I can see everything. Very bright, going to be very useful. Move this back out of the way real quick. Now the only thing left to do, I'm going to tuck these last little bit of wires up underneath here. I might pull a little bit of the slack back, that way there's not a big bunch right in the middle. I don't like that, because if there's a load on here, I don't want it to pinch the wires and pinch the connections real bad. I want them to sit just behind this little lip right here where there's going to be a little extra room. So I'm going to pull some of my slack back on both sides, and that's that. I'm very happy with them.